Well, good morning. We're here in Denmark, Wisconsin. We're going to ride the Devil's River State Trail. It's about a 15-mile end-to-end trail, so it'll be about 30 for us if we do the whole thing. We'll see how it goes. It was pretty hilly coming out here, but I think this is an old railroad grade, so that should help. We'll see what the condition of the trail's like. It's a crushed rock trail, and there's been a lot of rain. We'll probably go at least to Francis Creek, and then it goes a couple miles past that and just stops. So we'll see how it goes. It looks like a beautiful area. Hopefully the clouds are supposed to burn off and be more sunny. So come along and explore this trail with us. Well, not too long and we're in the woods, countryside. Yeah, trail's not bad, a few little muddy spots. Well, a bit more about the trail here. It's free, you don't have to get a pass. It's a Wisconsin DNR trail, which typically means it's natural surface. Maintenance is usually somewhat minimal. This one alternates between being decent and being kind of muddy and not much crushed rock on it. So we just entered a new county and the trail got much better. It's maintained by a snowmobile club, and well, I'm not a snowmobiler. We've noticed that most of them maintain the trails and keep them pretty nice for the snowmobiling, so benefit is for bicyclists. I always love these trails when they've got a old electrical lines, probably telegraph lines that followed the railroad tracks. Little town or village of Maribel. So I think it's a car racing dirt track over there, clay track. Well, we're just touch over 9 miles into our ride. We got 5.5 miles according to the marker we just went past. They got markers every quarter mile. Most are readable, some are a little washed out from the sun. It's a really pleasant little trail now that we're on this much improved section here. Through the farmlands, through the woods, pretty quiet. We passed one bicyclist and we got 2 ahead of us, so not too crowded. Oh, riding through Francis Creek. One of the reasons we started at the end we did is that the trailhead has bathrooms is improved. The rest of it, there are parking spots that you can park, but no restrooms that I've seen. Rockwood Road, this is the end of the road for us. You can see a trail does not continue. Well, 6 3/4 it said. We're just going under Interstate 43. Oh, more than halfway back. Bit of a grind uphill into the wind. Natural surface, but a beautiful ride. Just a little observation. Wherever these multi-use trails are maintained by a snowmobile club, they're usually in really good shape. So thank you to the club. I think it's the Nord's Men's Snowmobile Club there. And that was Manitowoc County, so I'm not sure if there's some relation to that too. Now we're in Brown County, and the trail is markedly different. Well, we're entering back into Denmark. It's gonna be just a touch under 30 miles. It's a nice little trail, really remote, very peaceful. We only saw 7 other bicyclists. Definitely a trail for wider tires. Everybody was running gravel or mountain bike. I saw a fat bike. So, especially this last little north section, a little rough. So, Devil's River State Trail in Wisconsin. Give it a try. It's really a unique, nice little trail. Till our next adventure, we'll see you. And always, thank you for watching. We really appreciate it. On our ride to Green Bay, we decided to stop at Parallel 44 Vineyard and Winery, and we enjoyed some wine tasting and cheese and crackers out in the vineyard. Thank you for watching our video. Like it if you liked it. Please comment below and subscribe so you can stay current with our adventures.